You see, Swapnil, here the state, while withdrawing the case, has accepted that witnesses were threatened to record false statements at Article 164 of the CRPC. So there has to be some element of accountability there. It can't be that you say, oh, 3.5 years, we framed you, and now that anonymous people did it, because anonymous people did not do it. Named people did it, individuals did it, people in the state with vested interests did it. They cannot avoid accountability, can they, Swapnil?
They absolutely cannot, Arnab. First of all, heartiest congratulations to you. This big New Delhi studio that you have, and the upcoming one, and the one that you had in Bombay, and you're going to have in Bombay in the future, is an eloquent testimony to the fact that truth bellows, whereas falsehood whimpers. It's clear indication that you are victorious today, and the fact that the matter has been withdrawn by the state because of lack of evidence, lock, stock and barrel, clearly indicates that now it has paved the way for vexatious litigation or malicious prosecution, as you may call it. And you must pursue that, because that judgment, which was passed by the Honorable Supreme Court in the abetment to suicide case, was a landmark judgment as far as personal liberty was concerned. But what happens pursuant to that, when your personal liberty was taken away, when you were harassed in that TRP scam case? Of course, the two cases were different, but I think 1,000 hours of your entire organization were completely wasted. Imagine 1,000 hours of a channel being wasted where so many millions of viewers are watching. I think that's a complete waste of public time as well. So who's going to be compensating for that? So that is the reason why you need to pursue that case. And once you pursue that case, it will be another landmark judgment, so that you deserve that particular compensation. Because for me,
I would fight the case on behalf of the people.
Absolutely.
I would fight the case on behalf of the people, and I'm determined.
You must.
And I'm being told right now here, Saurabh, right now, Saurabh, I'm being told right now, people are calling and saying, Arnab, don't leave it. Fight it. Fight a case. Absolutely. In this country, false cases are put, then the state at its whim and fancy. Later, somebody else says, no, yes, it was fixed. But then what happens to the person who for 3.5 years was made the target? And I want to say, Saurabh, you know this is the most disgraceful chapter in the Indian media's history, where some people in the media colluded for corporate interests. My senior executive, Ghanshyam Singh, was tortured in a prison cell, in police custody, with a chucky belt. A corrugated belt of leather with metal was used to beat him. My newsroom of 1,000 journalists was booked under a 1922 era, colonial era law. Our staff was put behind bars. We went through 800 hours of questioning. And for 3.5 years, they called us TRP chor. So I feel somewhere they gave credibility to a cop who was an extortionist in exile.